Reliance Industries has raised $4 billion in the largest ever foreign currency bond issuance from India. Part of the cash will be used to refinance $1.5 billion worth of debt, which is due to mature in February. It's been the largest ever foreign currency bond issuance from India. Notes were nearly 3 times oversubscribed. The conglomerate raised $1.5 billion in a 10-year tranche, $1.75 billion in a 30-year, and $750 million in a 40-year deal. The rapid spread of COVID in the past week has hit air traffic in India. According to the latest data from the Civil Aviation Ministry, there's been a decline of 11% in air traffic in the week of 29th December to 4th of January. Sources tell Business Today TV that the Ministry of Civil Aviation is reviewing the situation closely and may also take action if the threat from COVID spreads. The ministry is in regular touch with Health Ministry and is ensuring the safety of passengers amidst the third wave. The centre is also expected to discuss certain regulations if there is an increase in the number of cases. Karishma Sudhanu joining us on this. Karishma, take us through all the latest on that front.
Well, right, it looks like turbulence is hitting back for the domestic aviation sector in India, and that is because of the fallen numbers, because of the new surge in cases of Omicron variant. Going by the numbers and what the sources are hinting, it's almost a 10% drop on an average in the first week of January that is being noticed, while in the month of November and October we were almost touching high at about 4.5 lakh of passenger movement on a daily basis, about 1 crore that was being crossed on a monthly basis. But now, and specific to that, what happened yesterday, the domestic aviation sector saw the air passenger traffic of about 2,35,000, which is quite a fall, and this is happening because, of course, the passengers are cautious of the fact that there is a rapid surge in cases across the country. This could not mean really well for the airlines, who were expecting things to get better for them. In fact, I'm also learning from sources that meetings have started happening in the Ministry of Civil Aviation along with the coordination from Ministry of Health to discuss certain restrictions and rules if there is a further increase in cases. We are also expecting that the government could soon take a call on putting the utilization capacity back in a graded manner, which was actually removed in the month of October because of high passenger traffic.
All right, Karishma, thanks for joining us with that. The Gujarat government has announced that it has postponed the Vibrant Gujarat Investor Summit due to a rise in COVID-19 cases in the state. The summit was earlier slated to be held from Jan 10th to Jan 12th. It's a mega event as 26 countries, business tycoons and investors from India and abroad participate. Chetan Bhutani gets us more details on the story. Chetan, now that it's been postponed, what hangs in the balance and what does this mean, given that it's usually such a signature event on the calendar for the state?
Well, absolutely, Abha. You know, this is a signature event which was started by the Chief Minister of the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi. It's a biannual Vibrant Gujarat Summit that happens, and the summit of 2022 has been cancelled. Well, the Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel reviewed the situation, and the Prime Minister was himself supposed to inaugurate the summit on 10th of January. 26 countries were partner nations, and about heads of 5 states were supposed to be a part of the summit. In fact, not just nations, but global tycoons from Suzuki, Rosneft, Boeing, Lockheed Martin were supposed to be a part of the event. In Indian businesses, leaders like Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, Sunil Bharti Mittal and Chandra were supposed to be a part of this. Well, you know, Gujarat on Wednesday, in fact, reported more than 3,000 cases of COVID-19 cases and about 50 Omicron cases. Well, you know, 5 IAS officers, including those who were organizing the summit, have been diagnosed. So hence, total chaos had happened there. And when the Chief Minister took review, they officially decided to put on hold. So when the next dates come, we'll definitely come back to the viewers regarding the same.